Hey Fox, welcome to a new video. In this video, we will see how to place any text on any surface using vanishing point. Using vanishing point to create the perspective of the surface and placing text over it is the best method of doing this. So without further ado, let's get started. For placing the text, the first thing that we want is a text. Either click T or select the text from the left side. Click on the center of the screen and type the text that you want. Once entered, press enter. Now go to layers. Right click on this T to get a pull down option like this. Now select the select pixel from this. Press Ctrl C to make a selection of this pixel. Now hide the layer. Once you hide the layer, you see a selection like this. To get rid of this selection, press Ctrl D. Once this is done, create a new layer. Now go to filters and press vanishing point. So you get a window like this. In this vanishing point window, select the perspective of the surface that you want, like this carefully. Select the first dimension, and once the first dimension is created, the next thing is press Ctrl and pull it to the second dimension. No worries if it goes outside the surface, you can always alter it like this. It's always free to alter. Once the alteration is done, press Ctrl V to import the text that we have copied earlier. So this is how it looks like. Now press Ctrl T to adjust the size of the text in the way we want it to. Once you feel it is placed in the way you want, press OK. Now it doesn't seem real, right? Now we have to blend it with the background layer. So what we have to do is go to the layers, double click on the layer, the blending option, press Alt and press at this bar. So it gets separated. Take this to the left side and you can see that the text is blending with the background layer. Once you feel for yourself that the blending is done, you can press OK. I think this will do. Okay. Now you can see the edge of the text is very sharp. So let's reduce that. Go to filters, the blur, use Gaussian blur. Now we'll adjust the values and see how it looks like and find the best optimum value that suits it. I think 2.7 is good to go. Yes, 2.7 is good to go. And this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more free content and free tutorials, feel free to subscribe Graphicsia. Thanks for watching.